Yo, what's good, Tech fam? Welcome back to our spot. Today, we're gonna school y'all on something a little overlooked. Keeping that laptop of yours clean and running smooth. By the end of this, your laptop will be looking fresh and running like it's still in the box. You might be thinking, why bother cleaning? But check it, dust and grime can mess up your laptop's ventilation, causing it to overheat. This can slow down your laptop's performance and damage your hardware. Regular cleaning keeps everything cool and running right. Alright, so here's what you're gonna need. Compressed air, microfiber cloth, and some glass cleaner. And if you got some cotton swabs, pull those out too. Make sure to power down your laptop, unplug all cables before we get started, and let's kick things off with the keyboard. It's a dirt magnet. Hold your laptop at an angle and hit it with the compressed air to blow out the crumbs and the dust. And the little weed crumbs if you got those too. Do this in short bursts. You don't want to go too crazy. Now onto the screen. Forget about the household cleaners. Instead, dampen your fiber cloth with some glass cleaner. Wipe down your screen gentle. Don't be too aggressive. You can easily break these screens. Now next up, the outer case. Dampen the cloth with some glass cleaner and wipe the case down. This isn't about keeping it clean, it's about keeping your laptop looking slick. To clean the ports, you're gonna wanna use that compressed air again. Remember, short bursts. You don't wanna cause damage by going overboard with the air. And there it is. If your laptop's still running slow after a clean, it might be time to check for software issues or look into upgrades. We'll cover that in another video. Remember, regular maintenance keeps your laptop living longer, saving you cash and stopping you from losing your files. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech repair guides. Keep it 100, folks.